As temperatures soar and heat waves become more frequent and intense, it's crucial to know how to protect yourself and your loved ones from the dangers of extreme heat. In this guide, we'll explore actionable tips and strategies to help you stay safe, cool, and comfortable during a heat wave. Understanding heat waves. Before diving into protective measures, it's essential to understand what a heat wave is and how it can impact your health. A heat wave is a prolonged period of excessively hot weather, often accompanied by high humidity, that can lead to heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Heat waves can be particularly dangerous for vulnerable populations, including the elderly, young children, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions. Preparing for the heat wave. Stay informed, monitor weather forecasts and heat advisories issued by local authorities to stay informed about upcoming heat waves. Create a plan. Develop a heatwave preparedness plan for your family or household, including designated cooling locations and emergency contacts. Stock up. Ensure you have an ample supply of water, electrolyte-rich beverages, non-perishable food, and essential medications to last throughout the heat wave. Protecting yourself indoors. Stay cool. Keep indoor spaces well ventilated and use fans or air conditioning to maintain a comfortable temperature. Hydrate. Drink plenty of fluids, even if you're not feeling thirsty, to prevent dehydration. Limit physical activity. Avoid strenuous activities during the hottest parts of the day and opt for indoor exercises or activities in the early morning or evening. Wear lightweight clothing. Dress in loose-fitting, lightweight, and light-colored clothing to help your body stay cool. Take cool showers. Take cool showers or baths to lower your body temperature and provide relief from the heat. Protecting yourself outdoors. Seek shade. Stay in shaded areas as much as possible when outdoors and avoid direct sunlight. Use sun protection. Wear a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen with a high SPF to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Stay hydrated. Drink water frequently and avoid alcohol and caffeinated beverages, which can contribute to dehydration. Take breaks. Take frequent breaks in cool, shaded areas, especially if you're engaging in outdoor activities or work. Know your limits. Listen to your body and recognize the signs of heat-related illness, such as dizziness, nausea, and excessive sweating. If you experience any symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Caring for vulnerable populations. Check on loved ones. Regularly check on elderly relatives, young children, and individuals with chronic illnesses to ensure they're staying cool and hydrated. Provide assistance. Offer assistance to neighbors or community members who may need help during a heat wave, such as providing transportation to cooling centers or helping with grocery shopping. Pet safety. Keep pets indoors during the hottest parts of the day and provide plenty of water and shade if they must be outside. Never leave pets in parked cars, as temperatures can quickly become deadly. Emergency preparedness. Recognize signs of heat-related illness, familiarize yourself with the symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke and know when to seek medical help. Have a plan. Know the location of nearby cooling centers, hospitals, and emergency services in case of heat-related emergencies. Stay connected. Keep a charged cell phone and emergency supplies on hand in case of power outages or other emergencies. Conclusion. By following these essential tips and strategies, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from the dangers of extreme heat during a heat wave. Remember to stay informed, stay hydrated, and stay cool, and don't hesitate to seek help if you or someone else experiences signs of heat-related illness. With proper preparation and awareness, you can stay safe and healthy even in the hottest of conditions.